Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 4, Samsung's next generation flagship earbuds that are already creating huge hype. From the expected release date to the price, specs, and new features, we're covering everything you need to know. Let's jump right into it. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Buds Pro 4 alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 during Samsung's Unpacked Event 2025, typically held in July or August. Recent industry leaks suggest that Samsung has already finalized major design upgrades, and mass production is rumored to begin by early June 2025. So yes, the Buds Pro 4 are closer than ever, and the official reveal is expected mid-2025. Samsung is polishing the Premium Pro design even further. Leaks reveal a more compact, ergonomic shape with improved weight balance for long listening sessions. The glossy finish is expected to be replaced with a matte, scratch-resistant body. The case might also get a cleaner, boxier redesign with a stronger hinge and improved magnet placement. Expect colors like Phantom Black, Titanium Silver, Arctic White, and possibly a new mint edition, inspired by Samsung's 2025 color lineup. Now let's talk about what matters the most: audio quality. The Galaxy Buds Pro 4 are rumored to feature dual driver system with deeper bass and crisp treble, a brand new 3D surround sound engine powered by AI, improved high-res audio support up to 24-bit 96 kHz, enhanced audio upscaling, which Samsung may call AI Sound Boost. But the biggest upgrade? A massive improvement in active noise cancellation. Samsung is working on next-gen Adaptive ANC 3.0 that automatically adjusts to your surroundings in real time. While noise reduction and voice isolation during calls are expected to be significantly better. Battery life is getting a major boost. Current rumors suggest up to 9 hours of playback on a single charge, up to 32 hours with the charging case, faster wireless charging, new fast power mode giving 1 hour of playback in just 5 minutes of charge. Better efficiency plus powerful audio equals serious performance. The Buds Pro 4 will come with Samsung's newest AI features. Expected upgrades include Live Translate 2.0 for real-time language translation, Voice Detect Plus that automatically lowers volume when you speak, SmartThings Finder Ultra, making lost earbuds easier to locate, ultra-low latency for Samsung gaming mode, auto device switching between Galaxy phone, tablet, and laptop. These earbuds are clearly designed to become a core part of the Galaxy ecosystem. As for the price, the Galaxy Buds Pro 4 are expected to launch around $249 United States dollars internationally.